So this is class third C. Third C. And lesson 8, subject is GSC, date 21st 9/2020. So matter, solids, liquids and gases. So lesson 8, matter, solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. So page 44 we are studying. 44 we studied about the matter, three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Last studied the three states of matter are interchangeable. So due to the action of the heat, one stage of matter may be changed into another stage of matter in either by increasing the temperature or by the decreasing the temperature. Many terms are there. This process, the three states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, are interchangeable. Ice is a solid form of water. It melts and changes into water, that is liquid, on heating. Further heating changes the water into steam or the gases. This process can also be reversed if a steam is cooled. It changes into water. This way, steam condenses to form water. Sufficient further cooling changes water into ice. The process of changing, different terms are there. Solid into liquid. The process of changing, the process of changing a solid into a liquid is called melting. First one is melting, called melting. Melting. A solid into a liquid is called melting. Second, B. A liquid into a gas. A liquid into a gas is is called, this process evaporation is called evaporation. Is called evaporation. Now see a gas into a liquid. A gas into a liquid is called condensation. Condensation is called condensation. And next, a liquid into a solid. D. A liquid into a solid is called freezing. It's called freezing. So, a solid, the process of changing a solid into a liquid is called melting. This can be, the process may be seen as, this is a ice cube. This is a ice cube. This is solid. And what is this? This is ice. And this solid is changed into liquid. So what thing is needed? If it is kept in a vessel, it is liquid. This is water. This is water. And what process is called melting? By the process of melting. So, as ice is there. When ice is heated, direction of heat, it is not written here. It is converted to liquid. The process of changing a solid into a liquid is called as the melting. The process of changing solid into a liquid is called melting. This ice is a solid, and when this ice is changed into water, this is the form of the liquid. It is called as the melting. Now next one, the next process, This is when it is kept on a burner. What is the this is the gas. This is a gas. Steam. This is when it is heated. It is what is a steam. So this second process, what is written? Evaporation. When water is heated, it gets converted into a steam, that is a gaseous stage of the matter. And again it is condensed into a liquid when it is this process. This is liquid, and in liquid, what is this? This is water. Water. This is the changed state. Condensation. Condensation, again it is converted into the water, and once again when it will be changed into the ice, again the process of freezing. This is again converted into the ice cube. So in this way, one state of matter will be changed into another state of matter. As ice is solid, it is converted into the water by the process of melting, and liquid, it is converted into gas by the process of evaporation, and this this water vapors by the process of condensation get converted into a water vapor, that is liquid, and again this liquid by the process of the freezing is converted into the solid, that is the ice. This is called as solid. It is solid. So in this way, one state of matter is converted to another state of the matter. Thank you. That's part of it.